thing that bothers me, of course, is the flyaways and the smell, and I feel like I can get rid of the smell. Hey guys, what's up? It's Paskiiluv here. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the chemical smell out of your virgin human hair. So let's go! The hair I'm using is from Ali Pearl. It's the Brazilian body wave hair. I have a previous video about this hair with the unboxing video, and you guys saw how disappointed I was when I realized that this hair had a strong chemical ammonium smell, and my goal was to try to go ahead and remove the smell, and this is exactly what we're doing. When I opened the bundle, it was wrapped with this beautiful golden thread that you guys normally see. I went ahead and removed the gold thread, but I did leave the elastic band on, and that's to ensure that the hair is not all over the place once it starts to soak. To remove the smell, I'm using Gain fabric softener. If you're not familiar with it, it's the thing you use when you're doing laundry that makes your clothes smell good. And I'm using the Island Fresh flavor, and I'm just going ahead with a big Ziploc bag that has some water in it, and then I'm just using 2 capfuls of the fabric softener. So once you have your softener mixed with the water to kind of dilute it, you just want to go ahead and give the bag a little shake, and then take your bundles one by one and just let them soak in the water, and then close the bag and just let it sit for like a very long time. You can let it sit overnight. I did this in the morning right before going to work, and it was basically sitting in there for about 10 hours, if not 12. Once I got back, I took the hair and rinsed out the fabric softener to make sure it was completely out, and as you can see, the hair turned from blue to this dark gray greenish color. I didn't get to film this part because my hands got all soapy at this point, but I went ahead with my regular shampoo and conditioner. Then I did a final rinse after I washed the hair. Then I went ahead and hung them up to dry. So I didn't want this drying process to be too messy, so what I did was I identified the hair based on length, since I got different lengths at 18, 20, and 22. Once I've identified which is which, I took those clothing pins and I just marked it with a marker, and I just went ahead and pinned it down to a hanger. That way, once it was air dried, it was easier to know which is which. Doing this will make the whole sewing process way easier once you're ready to turn this hair into a unit. I do want to say that this method was very effective, and I was no longer able to smell that weird chemical smell once I was done. So definitely give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you next time.